lost in the fast lane. Forgot my roots, forgot my name. Money, smoke, drinking, all the same. Some more in my heart, but it's slipping away. Living life, but inside I feel the pain every day. Not today, I'm caught in the hustle. Dreams turn into nightmares, lost in the struggle. Packed my bags, left the motel, chasing that green. Thought the big city life was all I'd ever need. Working hard, trying to stack that paper, but the more I do, the more I feel like a stranger. Night lights, fast life got me moving quick, but deep down inside, man, something ain't click. Drinking often, puffing just to feel alive, but I can't shake the feeling like I lost my vibe. Where's the yellow for, where's the family ties? Chasing dollars, but I left behind my real pride. Caught up in the fast lane, lost in the dream. Now I'm looking back, it ain't what it seemed. Some more I fading as I chase this grind. Wish I could rewind, bring back peace of mind. I'm caught up in the fast lane, lost in the dream. Now I'm looking back, it ain't what it seemed. Some more I fading as I chase this grind. Wish I could rewind, bring back peace of mind. Flashing lights, but I'm blind to the truth. Big city life done corrupted my youth. Oh, so where's the love, where's the village I knew? Now I'm lost in the crowd, can't tell who's who. Popping bottles, chasing money, but my soul feels drained. Every night the same, still feeling the pain. I got dreams, yeah, but I'm stuck in a race. Forgot where I'm from, now I'm losing my place. The island breeze, the ocean I crave, but I'm buried in the city like I'm digging a grave. Caught up in the fast lane, lost in the dream. Now I'm looking back, it ain't what it seemed. Some more I fading as I chase this grind. Wish I could rewind, bring back peace of mind. Now I'm thinking about home, the folly and the fam. How I traded all that for this life at hand. Chasing highs but the lows never far. Lost in the fast life, now I'm stuck in the bar. Family told me don't forget your way, but I'm caught up in the game. I don't know what to say, trying to live the dream, but I'm losing my soul. The more I get, the less I feel whole. It's time to wake up, time to find the real me. Reconnect to the roots, live wild and free. I left the island to chase dreams, now I'm lost in the fast lane. Forgot my roots, forgot my name. Money, smoke, drinking, all the same. Some more in my heart, but it's slipping away. Living life, but inside I feel the pain every day. Not today, I'm caught in the hustle. Dreams turn into nightmares, lost in the struggle.